Design shapes how a space functions, and how a space functions shapes how you live. The Gentle Grove project started off with convenience and necessity in mind. Our clients are based in the province, but life brings them to the city more often than not. They needed a home base, something that actually feels like home, and not just a place to sleep in between meetings. We were working with a 3-bedroom condo unit with 2 toilet and baths. We didn't alter anything with the structural layout, so most of the work was in the finishes. Swapping things out, curating the details, and making the space feel intentional throughout. We have the entry to the unit here, which leads you straight into the living and dining areas. The kitchen is just right next to the dining, and a utility room we ended up reimagining completely. Further in, you've got 3 bedrooms, each one designed a little differently. We also have a common bath and the master bedroom with its own private toilet and bath. The living area is the heart of the home, so we wanted it to feel welcoming right away. We went with a curved sofa and deliberately moved it away from the wall with the intention to create an energy that draws you in rather than pushing you to the edges. The coffee table, side table, and accent chair were layered to create a nice visual balance. We added an area rug to the mix, creating a visual interest for the variety of textures in this area. Aside from the furniture, we've also created lighting options to the TV area, adding warmth to the heart of the home. For the dining area, we curated a 6-seater set with a lot of attention on the leg design. We were aiming to achieve a subtle Japanese-inspired quality to it, clean, considered, and really easy to be around. The kitchen got a full cabinet overhaul, all custom, all built around how the family actually uses the space. We did explore the idea of adding an island, but the clearance just wasn't there to make it work comfortably. So instead, we added a pull-out table. It acts as an extra surface space when you need it and out of the way when you don't. We also integrated a pull-out garbage bin, slim condiment rack, cabinet lighting, and we also used engineered quartz as our countertop. Storage was a big priority for this family, so we decided to extend the kitchen space all the way to the utility, which is conveniently located just right next to the kitchen. We converted this into a full pantry storage along with the laundry corner. It's essentially an extension of the kitchen that keeps the main cooking area from feeling cluttered. We also added a countertop with drawer storage in there for small appliances and extra dinnerware. This bedroom gets a lot of natural light, so we worked with that rather than against it. The palette here is light and airy, and we added a shiplap accent wall to bring in a bit of warmth and texture. She wanted her room to primarily be a place to rest, so we prioritized a bigger bed. There's a small desk tucked in for work-from-home days. It's there when she needs it and doesn't take over the space. Bedroom 2 is on the smaller side, but we used that to our advantage. The whole design leans into the idea of being a cabin in the woods, creating an intimate, personal space where she can enjoy reading her books in peace. We built out shelving for her books and personal things, and maximized storage through custom cabinetry and drawers built right under the bed. The master bedroom is where things get a little quieter. Softer palette, cleaner lines, a space designed to help you actually decompress at the end of the day. The bed is fully custom, upholstered with a solid wood frame and underbed lining that gives the room a really warm, ambient glow at night. There's also a custom vanity table with built-in drawers and a sliding wardrobe that tucks neatly into a column niche in the room. This bedroom feels a warm hug of sunshine in the morning while turning into the coziest corner to wind down at night. Both bathrooms follow the same quiet, earthy language as the rest of the home. Warm tile selections, wood accents, clean surfaces. Storage is worked into the mirror and sink cabinetry so things stay tidy without having to think about it. At the end of the day, this project was really about making everyday life feel a little better. Not just a good-looking space, but one that supports the routines, the rest, and the small moments that make a home feel like yours. For a family that's always on the move, we wanted to create a space that never feels rushed, a place that's always ready for them and a home they can always come back to.